Our next question comes from the Quest Academy 4th grade Mustang class. And the question goes like this. How do you define a proper noun from a regular noun? And this is a question that I appreciate because it shows an interest in coming to greater clarity about the language of grammar, the terminology that we use to make distinctions. In this case, a distinction between a proper noun and an ordinary or regular or common noun. Now, probably the easiest way to do this is to invite you with me to think of a specific person, place, or thing. Just think of some unique person in your life or some unique place in your life or unique thing that comes to your mind. Some examples that come to me would be my father, Glenn Brooksma. His name is Glenn Brooksma. Or a place, Seattle. That is the city where I was born. Or a thing. How about the name of a book? The name of a book such as The Wind in the Willows. All of these things are names of specific people, places, or things. And that's what makes them proper nouns. They are proper nouns because they name one thing in particular, and we usually capitalize that name to signify that it is in fact the name of someone or something in particular. So Glenn Brooksma, I would capitalize both of those words. Seattle, or the name of any city, I would capitalize the first letter of that city. The name of a book, I would capitalize the name of a book. Now, think of a person, place, or thing that is not specific, but is something you might find anywhere. So, for example, man or woman or child, or a town, a city, or a book. In all of those cases, those nouns, a man, a boy, a child, a city, a town, a book, all of these are naming something in general. They're naming something, a kind of thing, if you will. All of these are just ordinary nouns or regular nouns, as you put it in your question. And these are nouns which are useful to us because we deal with these things in our everyday life, and we may not need to specify this particular book with this particular title as opposed to any old book or a book in general. So I hope that those examples help you to clarify the difference between a proper noun and a regular noun. And one more little extra bonus clue or tip for you, which is that when you find yourself wanting to understand more clearly a grammatical term or a grammatical distinction, one of the very best things you can do is make a list of examples for yourself. That way you bring that term out of the realm of terminology and into the realm of your own direct experience. And with the help of those specific examples, you will be able to see that distinction or that definition more clearly than ever.